Welcome to this tutorial on creating an automated ordering through internal ERP system. We will start by creating a new flow in the Flow Builder. Click on Create Your First Flow to begin. To save time, we will use a pre-built template. Navigate to the Templates tab and select the Restaurant Order template by clicking Apply Template. The flow is now loaded. As you can see, a message trigger node connected to an AI assistant node. Let's configure the AI assistant by clicking the Edit button. Inside the configuration, you can define the system prompt. Here, we have instructed the AI to act as an ordering assistant for El Corral fast food, focusing on a polite, relaxed tone. You can also manage conversation history limits and tweak other settings as you like. Now, if we scroll down, we can see the ERP Sales Automation toggle is enabled. This will allow the system to automatically generate orders based on customer input. Once satisfied with your settings, add name for the flow and click Save. Confirm the save settings. Now navigate back to the Flow Builder page to activate your new flow. Click the Status toggle to change it from Draft to Active. Next, assign the flow to a channel. Now let's test the bot. As a customer, I'll send a message requesting to order from the menu. The AI responds instantly, providing the item list from the internal ERP module. I'll proceed by ordering French fries and chicken nuggets. Notice how the AI confirms each item, clarifies quantities, and asks for specific preferences, such as spice levels, etc. After the customer confirms the order, the system compiles the full list, calculates the total, and asks for a final confirmation. Once confirmed, the system generates the order in our back-end ERP, creating a unique order number for tracking. In the Sales Orders page, we can view the new order. Click on the order to verify the items, then click Confirm to begin processing. Back in the WhatsApp chat, the customer receives an automated notification that the order is confirmed, along with a link to the PDF invoice. As the order progresses, the system automatically updates the status in the ERP. Here, we advance the order through the processing, shipped, and delivered stages. Each status change triggers an automatic real-time update in the WhatsApp conversation. Finally, we can record the payment. Go to the Invoices module, select the specific invoice, and record the payment amount. The system will mark the invoice as paid. As you can see, the customer receives the final paid invoice PDF via WhatsApp, completing the seamless automated ordering loop. Thanks for watching. More tutorials are coming, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so you don't miss any of them.